Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and today I want to discuss something related to AI. As you can see from the thumbnail, right, we are gonna see how you can use AI to give you the analysis that you need, and I'm going to use a new AI that has been in talk for some time now, and I will show you how that is better for your analysis. So with all that, let's start. Okay, so the AI that I'm gonna use today is Perplexity. This has been in the works for some time, but now it has finally launched. And if you wanna get a pro version of that, I'll put a link in my description below, so you can definitely check this out. And this is different from the other AI tool that you may be familiar with, right, like ChatGPT, Bard, or Cobalt, or any other Cloudy, or any other AI that you may be using, right? So this is different in a way that all those AI models that you know of, they are kind of old, built with the old data, right? The model that they use, the LLMs that they use behind the scene, are trained on a predefined data that is dated almost 2 years back, if I'm not wrong, right? But the way Perplexity is different is that it searches the real-time Google or the internet, right? So whatever you search here, that's gonna give you a real-time data for your search, right? So I'm gonna use this tool to tell you how you can use this to find something for your options trading, right? So let's say I have curated two particular questions, right, which I'm gonna use, which is basically what are the, so the first one I'm gonna type is what are the top dividend paying stocks, right, for selling cash secured puts. Okay, so this would be my first one, and again you can put your own questions here. So let's say I put that here, right, and then let's see what it gives. So again, as I told, right, this is gonna give you the latest result based on the searches, right? So you don't have to go through multiple links, multiple videos to find out it does all that for you. It searches across the sites, Reddit, YouTube, everywhere, and give you the list, right? So this is the list, right? And when I look at this list in a quick glance, right, I definitely agree to this, that these are the good stocks. So if you wanna do so, this is gonna give you the high level list, right? So AT&T, a long time dividend aristocrat. Verizon, in the energy section, ExxonMobil is definitely one of the big players, and they are very popular among the dividend investors, but very good to run the wheel strategy too. Altria Group, that's also a pretty popular dividend aristocrat. So, and Realty Income, right, this is this used to be one of my favorite when I was mostly on the dividend side, right? I don't do much of the dividend investment right now. I kind of do the wheel along with the dividend too, right? So not completely on the dividend, but these are I would say the top 5 that you can get. You can definitely use for more detailed analysis, right? You can go to Robinhood platform, you can go to advanced, and then you can it kind of gives you with a most used I would say technical indicators, right? So you can use these. You can increase the time frame to, let's say, 3 months, right here, and then you can see your chart here, right? So this is the Bollinger Band, And by the way, this is a part of the screener, right? And I had made a video on how you can use the Robinhood screener to do your analysis. You can definitely watch that video if you wanna be more familiar of how you can make use this screeners, right? So this is give you a quick glance of where the stock is right now. So I'll just go with the Bollinger Band, right? So you can see, right, the Bollinger Band, the low level is at around I would say right below the 21 mark, right? So that would be a good point for the cash secured put for this stock. Similar way you can do like a Altria, right? So you can do the Altria, you can see where this stock is heading. You can do a quick look at their 50-day moving average, 200-day moving average, and see how that goes along with the overall Bollinger Band. And definitely do look at how the volume is doing. So combining all these factors, you can and do keep in mind that this also gives you the range of the dividend yield that it provides, right? So as long as you hold this stock, you're gonna get like a good amount, almost 8% annually for the dividend yield, right? So that's a good indicator, and it also provides you the daily options volume. This is a good way to look at how liquid that particular stock is. So this was a quick way, guys. So instead of searching all through the internet, you definitely use this Perplexity for your analysis. The other questions that maybe you can ask is, let's say you have a small account, right? So you can say, what are the stable stocks for options trading under, let's say, $10 mark, right? Which is pretty low, but let's say what it provides, right? So I'm just doing a real-time search in this video itself. So I'm gonna see, interested to see what this comes up with, right? And definitely whatever it comes up with, you have to do some of your due diligence after this, right? So let's see. So Sophie, yeah, one of the good popular name. You can get good premium out of this, right? And it's running right now, I think 7.38. So again, I said this is all, it searches the real-time internet, unlike ChatGPT, right, which is based on 2-year-old data. So you won't get that much real events built into those stock prices. Cosmos Energy, yeah. So there are some names here. You definitely under 10 is pretty I would say it's a borderline pink slip stocks kind of area. So you do have to be a little bit careful when you do that. So definitely check out these in more detail. Go with anyone if you see like kind of a dividend in that range, that would give a good idea. Look at their market cap. Market cap plays a good role to see where that company is heading right now. So these are the some ways you can definitely play around more, guys. This I wanted to introduce you to this Perplexity and play around with it. I would definitely say that instead of using searches in your Google, use this to make your searches. That will make your life easier, and then do further analysis as I mentioned using the Robinhood, right? That also has a good amount of charting. Even though it's minimal, it does serve the purpose. Okay guys, so that was it for this video, and I'm gonna talk to you in my next video. Till then, happy investing. Bye bye.